I do this for the Filipino people and I love the Filipinos. I will die in Filipino. I was born and raised in Filipinas, and I will die here in the Philippines. That's it. That's me. That's Mr. Nobody. Tapat pong lilingkod sa taong bayan ng Pilipinas at sobrang mahal ko at makabayan po ako sa mga Pilipino. Okay? Hindi man yung itsura ko, hindi man Pilipino, pero yung puso ko, putang ina, Pilipino ako at matatag ako magiging Pilipino habang carefully. You are here in a foreign... Sobrang na dami pagkain yun. Pasensya na. Dami na kain. So, nandito tayo sa Philippines. Okay? Nandito tayo sa Philippines. Filipino yung may-ari. Okay? If tinatawag kayo ng Filipino, sa buong buhay niyo, Mother Chud, you cannot even defend yourselves sa pagtama sa mga Filipino. Yung word na Bombay ngayon, tinigil na lang sabihin. Mekos-mekos is fun. Masaya pakinggan. Pag Bombay, nairita tayo, pero pag mekos-mekos, it's fun. Okay? Tawagin kayo nila, Tornado, mekos-mekos, it's fun. Just play it. Smile and leave. Kaysa naman, huy, Bombay, baho. Mekos-mekos, baho. Natatawa ka pa. Utak. Wala na kayo utak. I don't even know these guys, but they are claiming that they know me. I don't know you, and I don't want to know you people. I have no business with you. I am here for the Filipino people. I take away their anxiety, stress, depression. Masaya na ako dun. I read their messages every night. Sorry hindi ako nakaka-reply sa iba. Pero I do read your messages. Sa mga gusto na noon, we saved lives, bro. Just by doing comedy, entertaining people, giving them a fun time with their families. They're sending our videos, they're sharing our videos because it's making good assumption to them. Bakit ba sobra na madumi pagkain? Pag madumi nakikita ko, madumi sasabihin ko. That's it. Bakit ako magpapaka-plastic? I don't scripted my vlogs, bro. And someone sabi, he's doing for the views, he's doing for this. Oh my God. I don't need this. I don't need no views. People do support me. People know Filipinos can feel that I am true. Kayo hindi. Kayo, lahat na ginawa nyo, masasama ako. Good deeds. Diyos ko yung bahala sa akin. Hindi na kayo. So kayo gusto nyo kontrolin lahat Gusto nyo kayo nasa Manila, kayo na yung control na lahat. Sino ba kayo to control our lives? No, sir. We control our own lives. Okay? We are not your puppets. So you take care of your business. I take care of our business. Okay? I do this for the Filipino people and I love the Filipinos. I will die in Filipino. I was born and raised in Filipinas, and I will die here in the Philippines. That's it. That's me. That's Mr. Nobody. Tapat pong lilingkod sa taong bayan ng Pilipinas at sobrang mahal ko at makabayan po ako sa mga Pilipino. Okay? Hindi man yung itsura ko, hindi man Pilipino, pero yung puso ko, putang ina, Pilipino ako at matatag ako magiging Pilipino habang buhay. My dad gave me options. Go to Canada, go to America, stay there. Fuck no. My heart, puso, lahat, dugo, putang ina. Gusto ko maging Pilipino, yun lang. Pilipino ako. By the heart. That's it. Madumi talaga, madumi. That's it.